Okay, today I'm going to show you how to repair a Honda starter. Now this is off a 91 Honda Accord. Here it says Mitsuba Japan. Can't read it real well. SM40203N it looks like maybe. Okay, so now this starter did turn over, but it didn't engage the engine, so usually that means the solenoid is bad. Suspected the solenoid, so I ordered from eBay. Couldn't find them locally, a new solenoid. Here was the old one. They sell rebuild kits for it. I don't see how, because they're crimped together. So I bent the crimp out, but I finally got into it. But there's this copper disc in here is floppy. It's supposed to contact these two things inside this cap here, but I don't see how it could when this copper disc there is flopping around. I know a repair kit's going to fix that. So to me it was trash. I'm recording. So to me it was trash. It's hard to get a free moment here with all the distractions. So anyway, so with this solenoid the starter did turn over, but slowly. And that's outside the car. Inside the car it wouldn't turn the engine over at all. So ordered in the new solenoid. I've determined the bearings in this starter are okay. I didn't pull it out because I don't want to mess with the brushes that live in there, but this seems to turn okay. And here's your clutch mechanism. It's only supposed to turn one way, which it does. This is a gear reduction starter, by the way. Okay, now let's put it together. It's kind of a jigsaw puzzle, but I think we can do it with a little help. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is put the solenoid back in this gizmo here. Now when I took it apart originally, you've got 3 hidden screws, and this one here is exposed, but they put black junk over it, plastic, and you have to dig that plastic out just to get to the screw. They do that, I guess, to keep you from working on them. And these other 2 are hidden inside other mechanisms. So it might look, in case you're scratching your head how to get the solenoid out, I'll show you how to put it back together. Now you've got this gizmo that engages the spring on the starter. Got to go in right. Let's see. I think this lives here. Let me see. Well, I'll be darned. Let's see. How does that go? And that goes like that. There we go. Fits in there nicely. That's got to be right. See, that pushes the drive gear and mesh with the flywheel ring gear. Okay, now let's engage the attach the solenoid. There's a little wire up there you've got to connect at the top. Kind of hard to see. There, we've got it. And now we push it together. You've got to line the hole up. I think this gives you a straight line right there. So we're going to drop these screws in. But now what do we do? I think what we do now is, okay, we put that in there, snug it home, and now let's line this up. And we've got on this housing, I can see it looks like that should go like that. You know what, I'm gonna stick it in here, starter motor in, so I can see it visually engage the gears there. I want a visual on that so I don't cock it or something. Kind of wiggle it in there. Let's go. And maybe, I think what I'm going to do, I was going to take that out, but I can't get it out. Should be going in here. There we go. Now we've got a visual there. I can turn. Should be able to turn something here. There. So when the starter is turning, got to turn this. Okay. Okay, now these go in here to hold the starter, but you need a screw into this thing. So we're going to have to put this on before we can screw it all together. Kind of all has to be together at the same time. Okay, and that goes there like that. Maybe a little tap. Okay, that drives it home. Looks pretty good. And now we've got two long 10mm bolts. One there, one here. Get those tight. Just speed it up here a little bit. And this goes